Well, normally to install the flashlight on the snowblower or the small 4-stroke engines, you have to take the recoil starter, take out the flywheel, install the new flywheel with the magnet, install the stator coil, put the wires around. So one of the simple solution here, without this much overhead and looking for new parts, would be to use the standard mod for the bicycles. We can control it, put it here, and it's fairly good with lithium battery. You have enough power to run it for a week maybe or so. If you clean it every other day for 1 or 2 hours, it will be fine because it will be cheaper, easier, and the same effect.